If I had to start completely from zero, no savings, no connections, no experience, and build $5,000 a month in real estate passive income in the next 3 years, here's exactly what I would do. Step by step. No shortcuts, no fluff, just the honest path from 0 to $5,000 a month. Year 1, learn and earn with WHOLess A-Line Jiva. First year, I'm not buying anything yet. I'm wholesaling. My goal is to generate $30,000 to $50,000 an assignment. Fees over 12 months, about 3 to 5 deals. I'm using every dollar of that to build my capital for the next phase at the same time. I'm studying every market I want to invest in. I'm going to every local RIA meet. I'm building relationships with agents, investors, lenders. I'm treating this like a business from day 1. Year 2, first house, HAC. 2, I'm buying my first property. I'm using an FHA loan to buy a duplex or triplex. I'm living in one unit, renting the others. My goal, $0 out-of-pocket housing cost. While I'm house hacking, I continue wholesaling part-time. Every dollar of profit goes into a war chest for my next property by end of year 2 goal. Own one multifamily property, generating $300, $500 month in cash flow after all expenses. YEAR. 3 scale with the BRU METHOD year 3 is where things accelerate. BRRR stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. I find a distressed property at a deep discount. I fix it up. I rent it out. I refinance it, pulling out my original investment as cash. Then I use that cash to do it again. Each BRRRR deal done right recycles your capital, so you can keep buying properties without needing new money each time. Done correctly, you're adding 1 to 2 properties per year, each generating $500 month by the end of year 3. 3 solid properties generating $500 month each equals $1,500 month. Add the original house hack equals $2,000 month total. Year 3 plus, adding REITs and digital real STA2 hit $5,000 per month. I add 2 more income streams running simultaneously. REITs with $20 $30K saved. I invest in dividend REITs paying 6 to 8% annually. At $30,000 invested, that's $150 to $200 per month passively, and it compounds. Digital real estate. Websites. Monetized content or niche blogs that generate passive ad or affiliate income, treated like virtual rental properties. This is where a lot of my income today comes from. Combined across all 4 streams by year 3 to 4. You're looking at $4,000, $6,000 a month. Possible, repeatable. Documented the path to $5,000 a month. In passive real estate, income is not glamorous. It's 3 years of stacking strategies, reinvesting everything, and refusing to quit when deals fall through. But it's absolutely real. And anyone watching this right now can start executing step 1 this week. Subscribe for more of this. I'm laying out the entire roadmap for building real estate wealth from nothing.